What's up, y'all? It's your boy Saint, and back with another video. How y'all been? I know we did a lot last video, had the bags finished, the bag drop happened. Hopefully you got something, and if you didn't, there's gonna be more products. So I hope you guys, enjoyed that. And now what we're gonna be doing, not much, kind of just been chilling. Black Studios, behind the scenes, all that product stuff. Yeah, if you guys want to shop around, check out the website, look at some other products. I mean, I know you probably like the bag, but there's other bags, there's other products that are going to be dropping on the website and everything. So you guys should, take a gander, look at some stuff, and, get back to me. But like I told y'all before, last video, I just bought myself a new sewing machine. So I kind of want to show you guys that, since there's not really much work I have to do this week, but whatever happens this week, whatever happens. So let's just, get to the sewing machine. So this is the new sewing machine, guys. It is a Singer heavy duty sewing machine. I just went and bought this last week. I wanted to upgrade my, my sewing machine, because my old little baby was she was getting a little overused, and things that we're doing now is a lot more complicated, and I'd rather have a sewing machine that could do pretty much more things that I wasn't able to do with my previous sewing machine. So what this sewing machine has is like it's got like cool embroidery stuff in there. It's got like button stitching, it's got top stitchings, it's got decorative stitches, and you could change the speed of the sewing machine, the way it sews. It has like embroidery texts, and yeah, like it's a heavy duty machine, so I could work with more complicated fabrics that I haven't even used before. So yeah, I pretty much thought it would be a good investment to invest into a better sewing machine for just kind of for future purposes, working on different products and expanding my range of my creativity. So yeah, that's the sewing machine, guys. I hope you guys like it. It's beautiful. I really, I can't wait to start using it more and everything. But yeah, let's get on to some actual, creative stuff. So like what I already told you guys, there's not really much for me to do this week, but I do want to start working on some new projects. I also got a vending event that's going to be happening at the end of this month, so I want to make some more products, and I want to make some products that we already have. You can see in the back we have more the products that we already have been making. I want to have those for the vending event, so I'm probably just going to do a lot of repetition of those things. But what we're going to work on right now is a design pleated skirt that I haven't even made yet. I just ended up kind of creating a pattern for it. I have all the fabrics out here cut out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and construct it, and we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully it looks good. I've never really made skirts. Usually I make products that are something I can personally wear if it's unisex. So just working on primarily women's wear products, something I don't really do, so let's see if it turns out good, and I'm gonna kind of just go through it. And like how I usually do with every process, I always do like the little things first before I actually put the whole thing together. This pleated skirt is going to have pockets. I'll probably show you guys a little digital design of the skirt, of what it would kind of look like right here, but pretty sure it's not gonna look exactly like that. I decided within the design I wanted to add pockets, because I don't know, pockets seem pretty useful for a girl with a skirt, and I've never really seen that. So I'm gonna add little pockets to the skirt, give it some pleats, but we're gonna start off with the pockets first. So let's get to that. What's up, y'all? So from what you guys saw from the previous footage, I was making the skirt, but I realized that the fabric I was using, it wasn't good enough. So literally I had to go cut out the fabric again. I got it on this white denim I have extra of, so I'm just gonna make the skirt out of some white denim. The pleats will come out a lot better, so I kind of want to have more control over how the pleats look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do the process that I was already doing from the beginning. Start off with the pockets, get the pockets onto the skirt, and then we're gonna start adding the pleats, and then it shouldn't take that long. It's only a skirt. I've never really made women's wear, so this is gonna be a cool little experiment and experience for me as well as you guys. Probably gonna have this on the website for sample, for purchase and stuff like that. I'm just gonna make a sample, and then once I have the sample kind of figured out, we can go from there and decide how I'm gonna advertise this stuff. But yeah, it's probably gonna be a short week for me when it comes to recording stuff. I didn't really have much content ever since the bags have dropped, so this video might come out a little bit later than Monday, but hey, we're still here, and I'm gonna just get on to the work. But yeah, we're gonna do the pockets first, so let's get on to that.
Listen, if you're not willing to downgrade your lifestyle for a year, for a lifestyle you want forever, you care too damn much about what other people think about you. I hope you catch that.
So what I did now is I have the pleats in there and the pocket is in there as well. So this is the pocket right here, kind of hidden. It looks like as if it's a pleat, and I really like the way that looks. And then we have the pleats here. I'm not gonna show you guys how to make pleats. Just watch a YouTube video if you need to know how to make a pleat. I literally just did that because again, like I said, I've never really worked on women's wear. So I have the pleats here laid out, did a little top stitching on the pleats to keep it in place, and they look kind of cool. So that's the first one. This is the second one. Same situation here. Got the pleats laid out in there, pocket. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the waistband to the front pieces. So this is what the waistband looks like. I literally made a rough design for this. So if I have a picture, I'm gonna show you what a picture looks like. So this is the waistband for the front part. I'm gonna sew this on right now, get that all cleaned up, and then I'm going to work on the back right after that. So shouldn't take too long. I'm a little excited for this one. I've never made a pleated skirt, so for the first time, pretty satisfying. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, so what I got for you guys so far, I started doing the pleats in the back, and I also just attached the two pieces of the back together. So this is how it looks. I also did the front with the waistband on it. This is how that looks. I think we already seen these. Cleaned them up, and this one as well, cleaned up. So what I gotta do now is I'm gonna do the waist. I'm gonna do the waist part for the actual back and attach that to this. And then I'm gonna attach the side seams to the front, and then this should be done. I am gonna have to figure out how I'm going to add these pieces together. So this is gonna be like more of a strap piece that's gonna go in the back like this, and they're gonna like attach to the front piece, so it looks kind of like that. And then the waistline is gonna be a V. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some hardware for that and figure out how I'm gonna attach those pieces together for the front. But besides that, what I'm gonna do, like I said, waistband, add that to the back of the pants, and then we're gonna attach these skirts together, back and front of the skirts together, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, before my camera dies, here's the final look at the first rough draft sample that I've made. Here's the back. There's a lot of things I want to tweak and edit. It's really rough right now, but that's okay. What we're gonna do next week is hopefully we'll get some more denim, and I'll finalize the pattern, and I'll finalize how the final look of the skirt will look like. But for right now, for my first pleat skirt, I ain't super mad. It's not, the shape is kind of what I want. I gotta rework the pleats, I gotta rework the waistband, I gotta get some more supplies, but I just want to test it out for you guys and just to see how the whole fit will look. So far, it's looking pretty good. So again, link in the description if you guys want to shop and stuff like that. There's way more products I'm gonna be dropping. I'll have a lot more things for men and women, so you guys stay tuned and keep watching me grind. And as long as you guys keep grinding as well, like I always say every video at the end, even if you don't want to be a designer, whatever you want to do in this life, I hope you guys find something that you will discipline yourself and make sure that you always try to be consistent with. But besides that, you guys, it's your boy Saint, Black Studios, behind the scenes, vlog, whatever you really want to call this stuff. I love you guys, I appreciate it. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, every Monday, 8 o'clock, I'm always dropping. So you guys take care, and yeah, I'll leave it like that. Come shop with me.